This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone. So good morning, good evening, and welcome again to this new session. So hope you have good weekend, guys. And you have. So I got assignments from Upama and Kevin, and from others I did not received any email about the updated assignments. Yeah, Kruti, no problem. So if you have watched my videos, so I shared that in the last video. I shared that please update your assignments if you got some time over the weekend. That would be great, and send me your assignments. Like I have shared a couple of tasks in the last Saturday session, my Saturday or Friday. And normally what you have to do in the assignment, you're taking the screenshot, uploading to your uh, GitHub. So
Actually, I try to do the automate the things war file from slave to Apache web server,
uh-huh.
but it failed. I make a script, but it is failed for some key private key reason. I don't understand what is the problem.
Okay.
So, if you want, I can give my
Share
access.
your
You can.
no problem. Let us let me talk to others also if they have completed this or not. So I'll come to that one very soon, huh?
Yeah, yeah. My script is okay, but I don't know why it is not connected.
Your what?
My script is good, but I don't know why it is not connected. Maybe there
Oh,
is some mistake.
oh, no problem. We'll go through it.
Thank you.
So, um, so to everyone, so have you completed your assignment that I've shared with you? Or on last Friday, there were a couple of tasks and the assignments for Linux, Git, and Jenkins. So let us start. Kruti said that she will, because Kruti was not there in the last session, so she said that she will going to share with me in maybe tomorrow, today or tomorrow. And Kevin already sent me an email about his assignment, so I'm good. I will go through, Kevin. I will go through the assignments and I will share my feedback with you. And Zuhair, what about you? Have you completed the assignments?
No, I thought on Friday that there was no session because you sent out the message about you have the video problem. So I did not know we
No,
had
I
like
I did
uh,
not send a message for the Friday.
I did receive a message.
No,
I
it
know
was
this.
on Thursday. It was on Thursday actually when there was some problem on the go-to meeting.
Oh,
Yeah, but no problem. You go through the recording again and please share your assignments. It's simple. It's not so difficult because whatever you are practicing,
yes.
I'm not asking you any other thing uh, to sit and to come prepare some assignment. So it is just whatever you're doing. Take the screenshot. Like if you're practicing Linux, take the screenshot, make a Linux folder in your GitHub repo, upload it to that.
Okay.
And whenever you will go through the Friday's assignment, I mean Friday's session recording, I shared couple of things for your assignments for you to do. Please go through it and just complete that one, please.
Okay.
Sure. Coming to you, Jarges, have you completed your assignment?
I'm still working on it.
Oh, okay. So, as soon as you complete it, please share with me. I will go through your work and I will share my feedback also.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. And what about you? Okay, Upama, I got email from you also. So I will go through your assignment also and I'll share my feedback.
Sure. I was wondering what happened to the video from Thursday.
I shared no that day also I shared the access, but today also again shared the access with you with everyone. So please check this one. You can check it now also. If still you are not able to access, I will again share the access with you. Just take
Absolutely. Let me double check it.
yeah, sure. And coming to you, Farwa, have you completed your assignments?
I'm actually currently working on them. It's a little slow because I got really sick over the weekend.
Oh, okay. So when you think you can provide?
A couple of days, by maximum end of week.
Oh, it would be too much work for you.
I mean, I've started doing it, but it's not complete yet.
Okay. So what I suggest you is, take some time today,
Mm-hmm.
and it's not so difficult. Like, whenever you, like I said earlier also, whenever you are working on Linux, whatever we have discussed, take the screenshot of it, and then same goes with the GitHub and the Jenkins also. And again, I'm reiterating the same thing in Friday session. I shared couple of things there for you to do. Take care of that one also, please.
Okay.
And then coming to you, Mahmudul Hasan Pahlavi.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, sure. Have you completed your assignment?
Yeah, I tried, but I failed because my script didn't run. But I upload whatever I do, I upload it in the GitHub.
Okay,
I
right.
upload some script.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
So,
yeah, that is great then. And then coming to you, Chenmai, have you completed all your assignments?
Yeah, I already did something on Linux and I did not take any screenshot of that, so I did not upload. But I practiced on GitHub. I mean, I again practiced on GitHub and I uploaded that one. And while doing Jenkins, I did have some problems, and now also I got stopped something. So, so that's why.
Okay, yeah. So, after this one, we'll take the attendance quickly, and then we'll come to the blockers.
Okay.
Sure. So, when do you think you can be able to provide upload your work and then share it with me?
Which one? The previous one?
Yeah, Linux, Git, and Jenkins.
Yeah, GitHub, I have already uploaded to GitHub. I mean, my GitHub
Mm-hmm.
account. And
Mm-hmm.
I think I did, I mean, gave you all the credentials, I guess.
Yes, yes. So you said that Linux you have tried it, but you did not took the
Linux,
screenshot of it.
Linux, I did not, I mean, before you said to upload to GitHubs, I already practiced on that. And I forgot to take a screenshot. But after you said, I
Okay.
practiced on GitHub and I uploaded those screenshots.
Okay, no problem. So do one thing, you already did for GitHub, do it for Jenkins also, and uh, and then let me know, please. I'll go and I'll take a look at that.
Okay, but Jenkins, I have struck somewhere, so I need your help on this. So I mean, after,
Sure,
as you said,
sure,
you will help me on the blockers.
yeah, sure. We'll do that just after the attendance.
Okay, sure.
Sure. And coming to you, Priyanka, so what about your assignments?
I am working on those and I have some blockers with Jenkins. Like the other day, I mentioned that it wasn't
Priyanka,
working.
your voice is very low and it's not audible clearly.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's fine now. Yes.
Okay. So I'm still working on those, and I have some blockers. Like the other day, I mentioned my AWS instance wasn't working. Like I had to reboot it. The same problem was happening today as well. Like I rebooted it 3 times, and still my Jenkins wasn't. I wasn't able to build because like the page was same. I couldn't even move anywhere on the Jenkins page. And
Okay.
even I tried installing Tomcat server, but with the install first command itself, it didn't give me, it gave me error. So I couldn't go ahead further with those. So
Okay,
the GitHub Linux command I have completed. So I have those that is ready, but I will upload it on GitHub, and the GitHub practice I'll do it tomorrow and I'll upload it. Like I have done practice of all before. It's just that with the screenshot I'll upload it tomorrow.
that would be great. Sure. Okay, and we'll discuss the blockers after the attendance for sure.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Okay, and coming to you, Atashimuddin. I think he dropped. Uh, so Atashimuddin Mohammed, are you able to hear me? Okay, no problem. So he'll join soon. So let's just start with the attendance. Okay. Farwa is here and Zuhair is here. I know.
Yes.
Josna already emailed me. She would be on leave. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So Kruti is here. Kevin is here. Atashamuddin is here. Shravani did not join yet. Priyanka, Chinmay.
I have joined.
Uh, who said that?
I'm
Oh, okay,
Shravani. Yeah, I
Shravani.
just
Okay.
joined.
Oh, you just joined. Okay, great. So, yeah, I'll mark your attendance. Upama is already here. Mehmedul Hassan is here. Judges is here. Okay, so I'm fine. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, surrounding before the attendance, we were discussing about the attendance. So, have you completed all your assignments?
Yes, I have uploaded.
Okay. So you have done till the Jenkins, right?
Yeah.
That is great. Okay. Kriti, Chinmay, Saravani, Pallavi, Upama. Okay. So I have I have your GitHub link. It is Saravani Dodla, right? github.com/Saravani Dodla.
Yeah.
Okay. And till now I have for Kevin, Zuhair, Farwa, Upama, Mohammed Pahlavi, Saravani, Chinmay Panda, Priyanka Dhake, Jyotsna and Kruti. Did I miss anyone?
No.
Maybe I think I do not have for Jarges. Yes, I do not have for Jarges, Zuhair, and I think Etash Muddin.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
So,
Actually, I guess I missed the session last week about the assignment. So can you just tell me the brief, because I don't think you have my GitHub too, because I missed that class.
yeah. So can you please ping me here only? It's for Kevin. I do not have for you. So you already shared. I will take it from there. You sent me an email. I take it from there. So, for you, Ahtash, can you please share me on the? You can ping me on this GoToMeeting chat box,
Okay.
and yeah, and for
So
Zuhair also, Zuhair I have. So I think Ahtash, if you can share, that would be all for me.
Okay.
And you also, judges. So actually, these sheets are different. So I'm matching with the sheet, and then I'm matching with the GoToMeeting front page. Okay. So judges, you also please share your GitHub account details. And when I say details, I hope you already have made it public, so you don't have to share with me your username and password. Whenever you create the repository, please make it public only. Do not make it private, so that I can be able to see it, others can be able to see it. Anyone who can visit your github.com/ your user account, they can be able to go and see your repository.
okay, so I shared the GitHub link. Now,
Yeah.
what is the can you just tell me the brief assignment? Because
um
I'm up to date. So if you need anything, I can just screenshot it. And
well, Atash, it would be great. Have you gone through the Friday's recording?
yes, I did, but I missed the last Friday's recording.
Yeah, so it's our last Friday. So if you go through it, I shared there. I'm asking to complete the pipeline. Like, I showed you how you can copy your war file to the target machine, which is where Tomcat is running, and how you can deploy it inside the web apps folder so that you can be able to see the application up and running. So I did it manually, and I asked you to do it through the Jenkins pipeline itself, so that it's all automated.
Mhm.
That was the task. And now, attendance is done. Let's go through the blockers. Anyone who can start with?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, sure. I'm
So
going
you
to
can
share.
take my control.
Yeah, so Mahmudul, you have two accounts I can see on my screen. So which one I
So
should share?
uh, one from mobile, one from that one. Which one is sound is disabled?
Oh, okay, got it. I shared the access check now, please.
Yeah. So I want to show you something. You can see my desktop.
Yeah, I can see.
So this is the project, right? Game of Life. I publish
Right.
it on there. So I made another script for it to copy the WAR file to the
Mm-hmm.
Apache server. So what I did here, uh, when the build is finished, then I invoke the script like build other project. When it is finished, then it will invoke my script to copy the jar file to the Apache WAR file to the Apache folder.
Okay.
But that is the script. Uh, so I made this one.
Okay.
So when I run these things,
Mm.
there is a
Can you show me your script?
uh, you see this one is failed here. So you click on there and there is a problem told me that this one. Okay.
Cannot. Okay, cannot access temp dot
So
no such.
there is a public issue, permission denied. So
Right.
do I need to add another node for this?
No, so I think this machine, which is 250, where you're copying, is it a new machine, separate machine, or which machine is this?
Uh,
So where you are,
Jenkins.
no, where you are copying your var. So you are copying your var from source to the target machine, right?
Oh, yeah. Source is the slave 2.
Uh-huh. And target,
Target is the Apache.
Apache Tomcat. It's a separate machine, right?
Yeah, separate machine is in there. It's in there
Can you
for.
go into, so you have, yeah, can you go to the right side, left side, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, go to the left. So you have Jenkins master, Tomcat, awesome. Okay. So now you are copying from slave 02 to Tomcat, right?
Right.
And can you click on Tomcat, please? Unclick on Jenkins slave 02.
Mm,
It's 11.51. Okay. Now can you go into your script now?
okay. This one.
Can you check this IP?
Yeah, 184.72.182.254. So
Yeah. Which IP is this
okay.
one?
This one is slave 2 IP.
So you are already on slave 02 where you are going to SSH. Can you tell me what you are doing in that script?
So I just did first I log into the slave 2, then I put the command resync and transfer
No,
the file.
no. My question is, you already uh, on the slave 02.
No, because I'm in the Jenkins master.
No. So see this one. Can you go now? Do one thing. Right click on the top level navigation. There's a Jenkins greater than this Tomcat word. Copy underscore word Tomcat, right?
Mm-hmm.
Above, can you right click and open a new? Can you show me the last build?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
is
Go
this
to
one.
copy.
This
No. Copy what Tomcat
uh this one the last bill.
for copy what Tomcat.
This one, yeah.
So okay, triggering a new build of this. Okay, click on yeah this red wall and building remotely on Jenkins Slave 02. So you already on Slave 02.
So I'm already on slave 2, right?
Right.
So command will run on slave 2, right?
Huh. So this command,
I
whatever.
thought
Yeah.
I think that because Jenkins invoked the script, so I think this IP invoke the script.
No. So do one thing just to testify this one. Do one thing. Go back to your script.
Okay.
And to everyone, guys, this is a very interesting thing. Let us just spend 5, 10 more minutes here. It will be a very good thing for you to, understand. Go back to your script, please.
Okay.
Um,
This one, right?
I'm getting the echo for my voice.
This one.
Yeah. So do one thing here. Um, this is the second SSH I can see this and see John. Okay. First of all, you run this command apache, and have you copied the public key to the this Apache Tomcat?
Uh, I think the same public key for all 4 servers.
You already copied it, huh?
Yeah. No, I didn't copy it manually.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think you told me that in here, right? On the node. Because I have.
No, node is good. Node is good. Node do not have problem, but whenever
Oh,
you are trying to SSH from your play 02 to the Apache, what method you are using?
no, I didn't do anything with that.
Because we need to either you use a temp key.
Yeah. Private key, yes, like this. See, if I want to log into the, I'm
Apache
already
Tomcat,
in
right?
the. So this is my Apache web server like this. I
No,
log in like this.
that's fine. That's fine. So try to understand. You can do it from here, but now you have to do it from play 02 to Apache.
Oh, slave 02 to Apache. Oh,
Yeah. So slave, when you try to log in from slave 02 to Apache, how you can be able to log in? Either you use your this temp file, which the Apache Tomcat knows, and for that
oh,
you
I
need to have
got
your
it.
temp key.
I need to copy the public key of slave 2 to Apache, right?
Exactly. Now you are on the
Oh, yeah.
yeah. So once you copy the public key of slave 02 to Apache, we can do it now also.
Yeah. So
Log
my
in.
slave 2 is this. This one is my slave 2.
Yes, log in here. Run the command vim tilde slash dot ssh.
Uh,
Oh, so I got a message from Opama. So you do not have access to day 7 still? You do not have access?
Yeah, I do not.
Okay, I'll
so
share with you again. Okay, now can you do vim?
oh, I need to do Vim, right? Okay.
Vim and then idrsa dot pub. Use that. Yeah, dot pub. Yeah, enter.
Oh, I think I don't have
VI.
Vim.
You can use VI also. Yeah. Copy. Copy it till internal only. Not all. Just till internal, so that we
Oh,
will. Yeah, yeah, like this. Yes. Copy it. Come out of this file. Yeah. Now log on to your Apache Tomcat. Now go to the authorized for. Yeah. Vim will not be here, I think. We are tilde. Not tilde.
oh, sorry.
Yeah, we already on the home directory, so you can use dot. It should be dot ssh, not tilde dot. Remove this dot, please.
Oh, okay. SSH.
The dot ssh. Yeah, and then authorized. Start typing AUTH and tab. Yeah, enter. Yes, here. Paste it here. Right click paste.
I didn't see my cursor in there.
You did not see what?
Oh no, I got it now.
One more thing, you do not insert this new line. Remove that one. Remove all these lines. This black, you insert, yeah. Remove this backspace. Backspace again. Yeah. Remove that line also. After
The top.
Jenkins, yeah.
Like this.
Yes. Now save and come out of it. Save and exit. Colon. Yeah. Now, just try to log in there. Come out of this machine. Go to the slave 02. Try to log in there.
SSH.
EC2-user at the rate 54.152.111.51. 152 dot dot triple one dot 51. Enter.
Yes.
Awesome.
Okay, now
Right?
I think script will run, right?
Yes. Now, what you have to do is, uh, yeah. Now, would you be able to change your script now? Can you, do you want to try now?
Yeah, I tried first, right?
Yeah, you try it and let me take the other blockers for now. Oh, don't build it. Remove that part from it.
From
Copy.
here.
Yeah. Go to copy what on click on configure. Come down. Remove this because we do not require to log on to the 254. We already on it.
Okay,
Remove this.
so
Yeah. Yeah. So now what will happen now? You would be able to copy your rsync will run here properly, right?
yes.
And then you need to log on to this machine and ch on root tomcat. Okay, move this all user share tomcat apps. Maybe you would need to use the sudo mv.
Oh, yes. All commands should need sudo, right? Hmm.
Okay. No, don't use sudo with ssh.
Oh, okay.
And
Is
do one thing. After no, don't use exit sudo with exit also. It's not required. Do one thing. Use this command sudo ch on after you copy it. Don't use it in temp var. So I'm saying that after you move your war file to inside the web apps folder,
mm-hmm.
right? So what you are saying that you will do ch on tomcat colon tomcat only. Don't use root, otherwise it will give you problem in running. Yeah, and just copy this part from copy the second line, paste it after the move line. Copy complete line. No, not this one, not this
No.
one. It should be same, but copy the second line, which is sudo ch on tomcat colon tomcat. Copy and cut it from here. Paste it after the move line, just before exit.
No, I don't understand. What I need to do, like this one, right?
Complete till sudo. From sudo, copy till dot var. Do it first. Yeah, copy. Yeah, and
Okay,
cut it
copy.
from here. Cut it
Oh,
from here.
cut it.
Yeah, paste it after the move line, just before the exit line.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and now change your from temp to this one. User share template webs. Choose user share tomcat web apps. Start working. Yes. And now try to do this. So in the meantime, it builds. Let me take the other blockers, right?
Yes, yes, please.
And now I think it would be easy if it fail at some point. So now you can be able to tackle it, right?
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
Okay. So let us see your Tom can. It still needs to be started. Yeah, it started. It completed also.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Now can you go to your Apache Tomcat Flash web apps? No, sorry,
Game
Flash
over.
game. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry. Yeah. You
You
can
need to
see.
check the build.
Yeah, $9. Ninth build is there.
Oh, yeah, it's updated.
Awesome. Great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks. Yeah. And okay, now coming to the next one. Who is the next? Pallavi, you can stop sharing your screen now.
How can I stop it?
The, I do not know, but I control. So no problem. Let me share my screen. So it would be stopped from your side.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So who want to go second? Next.
Yeah, me, Chinmay.
Okay. Share access with you.
Yes.
Okay, Upama, no problem. I'll share again with you. So I'm doing it now. So I have this. Yeah. So Chinmay, what is the error you're getting?
Yeah, I am having these errors while I'm configuring the node. So
Oh, so you are not able to configure the nodes?
yes.
Okay. And how you're doing it?
Uh,
Let's check it this way. So can you go to your nodes? Yeah. Click on nodes
yes.
and go to this. Click on Jenkins Slave 01. On top of it, can you click on it? Yeah. Left side configure. Okay. Now Jenkins. Can you recheck this host IP? Is it correct?
This one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And let us check your for once. Let us check the security group also. Can you go on AWS and check the security group? Yeah, security groups. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, default inbound. So it's all it's saying, right?
Yes.
Okay, that is good. So we are good here also. Now go back to your Jenkins. So in the meantime, Upama, I shared the access with you. Can you check it now? Okay. So now let us check your credentials also. How you have given? What you have given the credential?
I have given here that EC2 user and I have created this one.
Can you show me? Yes.
Sorry.
Uh, yes. Enter directly. Okay. Username is easy to use. So can you check it? There is no space after in the username where you have given easy to user. There should be no space after it, after the R of user. Okay. And can you click on replace in the yeah here? And let us go to your PEM key.
Yeah, here it is.
Uh, Paste copy from the end.
This one?
Take it. Yeah, everything. Control A. Can you do Control A?
Yes, I copied that one.
Yeah. Copy everything and then let's go there. Paste it here. Awesome. Save it now. Mhm. And then let's go to your nodes. The second Jenkins tab that you already opened, yes, here. And over here, can you refresh this page once? Okay. So it's only easy to user in the credentials, right?
Yes.
Okay. And manual trusted key verification. Can you click on the drop down this host key verification strategy? Click on the drop down once.
This one?
Yeah, click here. That's correct. Okay, that's fine. And yeah, now save it. Launch agent.
Yeah, it is showing the same one.
Oh, okay, no problem. So let's go to this machine actually. No, it's
Okay.
better than earlier. So you was getting different set
Yeah.
of
I mean, I was doing the same, but now it is showing the different one. Yeah, I
no,
got that
but the difference is you did not copy the key properly.
one. Okay. Yes, I
Yeah.
guess so.
Yes. So now go to the machine. Go to the slave machine now. I mean SSH to the slave machine.
Okay.
Maybe from Git Bash wherever. Yeah. Go to the slave machine.
Yeah, I think it is broken.
Right. You can. So in that case, do it's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Can you
can
read
do
over?
the rest of that one because
What did you say?
yeah, okay. Just wait.
Yeah. So can you create this Jenkins now? MKDIR
Yes.
space. There should be space. MKDIR space Jenkins. So now what you need to do is, uh, so can you do one thing? Do sudo hyphen I. Yeah. Now go to cd space war lib slash war slash lib
Slash.
slash war slash lib. Yeah. Go to the I mean go to the lib directory. Yeah. var slash lib. Enter. Can you run clear command here? Clear. Yeah. Yeah. Now do mkdir Jenkins. Yeah. Now do chown space ec2 user colon ec2 user. Yeah. Colon ec2 user. Yeah. Space Jenkins. Enter. Exit. Now go to the your again to the Jenkins again.
Okay.
Okay. Can you click on nodes? Yeah. Go to this node again. Yeah. Click on it. Launch agent. It's fine now, right?
Yes. Thank you.
It's connected now. And now you can trigger your build. It will take this one.
Yeah.
Can you go to the top part of it? Let's see where it is building. Oh, and currently it is running on system only.
Okay.
So it's running on system. It should run on the this slave only. So don't worry. Just let it be completed. And can you go to the nodes again? The tab, the earlier tab. Okay. Go to the nodes. It's all showing up here. That's fine. No, that's fine. It's up and running. So ideally, it should take it automatically. And now go to the. Can you click on just Jenkins? Yeah. Scroll a bit down. Okay. So you can see Jenkins Live and Master. I think this build completed.
Yes.
So it built successfully or what? It's the second one you build, right? Huh.
Yes.
So okay, it's good. Now can we trigger the build again? Let us trigger the build again. Build now. Click on the blue ball. Go up. It's again started on the master. It should not be like this. We okay. Now go inside the job. Maybe you want to stop it, I think. Yeah. Configure. Configure. Click on configure. And then yeah, you can see this restrict where this project can be run,
Sure.
right? Restrict where this project can be run. Yeah, this one. Now in the label expression, start typing the name of the slave. I think it was Jenkins slave, right?
Yes.
Is it capital J or the small j? Ah, this one. Yeah. Select this one. Backspace. One backspace. Yeah, it's done. Don't do anything now. Save it. Save it like this only. Now trigger the bill. Click on blue ball. Ah, okay. This is the problem. So can you click on no credentials specified? Okay, so Git is not there.
Mhm.
You did not install Git there, right?
On the slave, I think no.
Yeah. Run sudo yum install Git. Why? Okay. And now, so what we are doing is we are just going. This was already done. Okay. So can you click on the blue ball again? Sorry, red ball
This one?
for build number ID. Yeah, this one. Yes. Okay. Now build it again. No, no, just once. You triggered two times. So can you click on red? Yeah, cancel it. Yes. So it is building now on the slave 02, right? If you go up, you can see the same thing. Yeah, it is building on slave 01. Yes, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we are good now. So you can go ahead to complete this complete pipeline. Any other question on this?
No, that's
Okay, great. Oh, so this is a different project, right? You're building.
yes. I just took one example of that one Java project and I did that.
Ah, no problem. That's good. That's all good. Okay, so you can stop sharing your screen, Chinmay, and then anyone else who have questions, blockers,
I have it. I have it.
Priyanka. Yeah,
Yeah.
Priyanka, please tell me.
Yeah. So do you want me to share my screen? Like,
Exactly. Yes. So I'm going to give you the access. So it's good that I'm very happy that you're coming up with these all good questions. That that means that you have done all this good work, and it's very good to work on the problems when you are on the advanced stage, and then there is simple thing or few things that you're missing, and then after that you can be able to build your pipeline. It's all good to see here.
okay. So actually, when I did a reboot on my AWS instance, I gave my master's new IP here, and
Okay.
here it didn't change. In
Okay.
Jenkins URL, it didn't change. It was showing my old IP address. And I
Okay.
don't know, maybe because of that, it was giving me this error in the afternoon that it was giving me on Jenkins manage something, I think. Let me check the page. Yeah, in Jenkins manage Jenkins, when I was going on that page, it was giving me this error that it appears that your reverse proxy setup is broken. So I didn't know. So I checked for that Jenkins. I gave the IP. It still didn't work. Like it wasn't doing anything.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Uh,
same thing on my Git bash. I couldn't do anything. Like even single listing out or changing directory, I couldn't give a command. It was just blocked there.
okay. So are you able to go to your Jenkins now?
Now from here, like I checked Jenkins status, it's active running, and
Mhm.
this is my Jenkins page, so it's good now.
Okay. So ideally, it do not impact, like, if you stopped and you started, obviously your IP will
IP
change,
change,
but
yeah,
it will not impact if it will not change in the Jenkins manage Jenkins. It will not impact you from opening the Jenkins.
yeah. Like what happened is like when I was running, the same thing happened the other day as well. That when I was building it, the build wasn't going anywhere. It was just circling, and it wasn't giving me error or not successful, nothing. It wasn't doing anything. And even I tried accessing my EC2 instance, I couldn't access it from my Git bash.
No,
So
ideally,
I don't know
this
how
is,
to troubleshoot
Priyanka,
that.
I do not know of this problem because it never comes to me. And, I tried login many times from the SSH also. When you restart or reboot or you stopped and then started, it never gave me that error that, I am not able to, or in the
Access it.
meantime also.
Mhm.
So do one thing, maybe you can start using Putty.
Okay.
What I think is it should not make any difference from Git Bash or Putty, but
No, it
then
is
you can
like
figure
it
it
is
out.
fine until go ahead.
Yeah, no problem. So what I'm saying is you can try it from putty. Maybe it will not give you error all the time.
Okay.
So you can
Okay,
try
I can
putty
try.
also. But for now, are you able to build your pipeline?
Yeah, I was able to like this is I did it again because the other day I just terminated my instances. So this one I did something is I think with like Chinmay also my it is building on master. So I'll fix that later. And I was trying to install Tomcat also. The other issue I couldn't install Tomcat. So if I give sudo yum install, it is giving me error.
No, there is a whole bunch of commands that you need to give. So I think I
Before?
shared that. I think I shared the documents with you also, with everyone.
Oh no, I didn't get the document actually.
Really? Okay. So there is a document for Tomcat installation.
Oh, the one you were referring, right? So see, this is the one you were referring. So the first was sudo yum install Tomcat, and I couldn't do it.
Yes, yes, yes. The same thing. Yeah.
The first command is sudo yum install Tomcat, and which is this one. And if I hit, it will give me this error. No match of arguments for Tomcat.
Which machine is this one? Is it the Amazon
Yes,
Linux?
it is Amazon Linux, Red Hat.
Hmm.
Not Amazon, sorry, it's a Red Hat one. Do I need to
So Red
install
Hat,
Amazon one?
Red Hat process is different. So it would be good if you can just go with the Amazon for now. I will share
Okay.
the instruction details. I mean installation detail for Red Hat also. Go with
Okay.
the Amazon, the same machine which I used to take.
Okay. So I terminated my Tomcat instance already, so I'm gonna go for Amazon now. Thank you.
Yeah,
That was
sure,
all for me.
sure. Thanks, Priyanka. And any other question for anyone else?
Yeah, I
Thank
have a
you.
question.
Yeah, great, Atash. Yes. Tell me. So
Yeah,
I'm.
so when I'm trying, yeah,
Do you want to share? I mean,
yeah, sure.
but I do not. I do not have now the uh, all the controls here. So this is GoToMeeting is too weird for me. Like after sharing with couple of candidates, I am not able to see the. So can you stop sharing your screen from your side? Priyanka, do one
Oh,
thing for
it's
me.
already
Right.
stopped from my side.
Okay. Do one thing for me. Right click on my like there would be DG DevOps there.
Hmm.
Right click on it and give presenter rights to host something. There would be an option for that.
No, I don't see any options. Let me. No, the screen
Mhm.
is already stopped sharing from my end.
Yeah, that's yes. So
Okay,
you
let
can
me go.
see DG DevOps, one entry
Yeah.
for DG DevOps.
I'm not able to share it.
Okay. So guys, stay here only. I'm going to refresh it. So you will not be
I'm sorry.
disconnected. We will be here only, and then I can be able to get all my controls. So let me share my screen. I can show you. So on the right side, there used to be some control. If you can see my screen, on the
Yeah.
right top side, there used to be some control, but I cannot see it now. So I'm going to quickly. Mahmood, I got your Mahmoodul Hassan, I got your ping. So I will share it with you, no problem. If you do not get it already, I will share with
Okay, thank you.
you. Sure. Oh, so guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
So yeah, so Mahmoodul, do you want me to share the access with you?
Mm, No, it's okay.
Okay, done. So anyone else who have the, so I think you have some
I think
questions, right? Yeah, yeah, Hitash.
Atasham, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, when I'm trying to build the slave machine, it is like going on an infinite, like it's just loading. I cannot like access anything.
Okay, no problem. So I'm going to share the access with you. Can you quickly show me that?
So yeah, so it's just keep on loading.
Well, it should not be like this one. Let us go to your AWS quickly.
So I'm trying to go to this one. I have my Tomcat installed right now. So I'm trying to
Okay.
just access
Yeah.
it.
So yeah. So you Jenkins master, you are not able to open first, right?
Master I can.
Okay. Which machine you are not able to open?
The Tomcat.
Have you installed Tomcat inside it?
Yes,
Okay. And it's running on 8080 port, right?
yes.
Okay.
How
Now,
do I
can
know
you,
that it's running on AT&T?
you should be aware of this by now, Natash, isn't it? Let's go to your machine for once. Yeah. Try 8080. Yeah.
Like this is like stuck. I cannot access this because it's loading on the background. And when I'm trying to close it, it's saying like the process is still running.
Okay, then close it then. So it's 18221. Okay, you logged in there, right? 221101146. Okay. Now, how we can check whether the Tomcat is running or not?
Status?
This is my question to you.
Like
Net state command.
doing status like this.
Now, you can check this way also, but there is one more quick way. No, Yum status. Do you think that we use Yum for to see the status of any service?
I don't know.
System CTL. You should use that.
Net status. Net state.
Exactly. Let's do netstat quickly. Sudo netstat. And well, this is also correct. If we use systemctl to see the status of any service, you can run that command also, and you can quickly see the status using the. So what we are going to see is whether 8080 port is running on your machine or not. If it's running, then it should be listening. So let's see there. Sudo netstat.
Oh, and then grep or something.
Hyphen.
Sudo hyphen T for TCP, UDP, LNP, right? Those also. Hyphen T. Are you doing something?
Uh, TULNP.
But I'm not able to see anything. It's freeze. I'm freezed screen. Yeah,
Uh,
TULNP space pipe.
like a dash, right?
No, pipe. This one space grep listen capital listen. Okay, so are you able to see 8080 port here? Yes. So 8080 port is running. So ideally, okay. Now can you check for this one of system CTL status Tomcat space status
CTL, what is it?
system status Tomcat enter. Well, this is also running here. So now, okay, yeah. Can you also do one more thing? Clear it first. Run clear command. Run curl local curl space localhost colon 8080 or wget you use.
Card.
Use wget. Wget get yeah space localhost colon 8080. No, global local just localhost. Just localhost, not the global host. Yeah, enter. Okay, I got this one. Now, can you go to your security group?
For Tomcat.
Yeah, yes. Can you go to yes, this one default. Traffic is already open, right?
Mm-hmm.
All traffic open. Okay, so this is all good here also. Now, can you take the public IP of the Tomcat? Let's try it. Take the public IP of the Tomcat.
Can you tell me the commands for that?
No. Take in AWS. Take the public IP of Tomcat. Yeah, go to the EC2 instance Tomcat. Click on Tomcat. Yeah, copy the public IP. Go to the URL. Give there. Enter. HTTP 404. Can you go to the terminal and restart this Tomcat again?
Should I exit it?
Go to the terminal
Yeah.
here. No, do not exit it from here. System sudo systemctl restart Tomcat. Now can we check the status again? It's all running fine. Okay. So did you install this Tomcat as per the same instruction that I've shared with you?
Yes. However, I didn't have the file, the folder, so I just typed in myself using the window, the video.
Okay. So there may be, can you do one thing? There may be something missing. Can you do the same thing going through my document?
Sure.
You definitely you will be able to see your this Tomcat up and running because that is a tested one. Use the Amazon and do a quick installation on Amazon machine using that same documentation. It is tested.
Okay. So currently, this is on Amazon, the first one, not Red Hat.
Huh. I have prepared it for Amazon only.
Okay.
Yeah. So maybe because you already have done some installation, maybe you can recreate one more Amazon instance and do installation there just to avoid any further problem or troubleshooting.
I think
Okay.
problem on Tomcat user configuration XML. There is a file.
No, but we are not able to open the page itself.
Okay.
Page itself is not opening up. So can you go to the user share Tomcat? CD to user share Tomcat slash USR. No, no, no. Slash USR. Yeah, slash USR slash share SHARE slash Tomcat. Enter ls hyphen l. Enter. Okay. Do one thing. Probably run the command. Come out of it. CD space dot dot. Yeah. Slash. Yes. Now run the command chown space hyphen r hyphen capital R space tomcat colon tomcat space tomcat. Home. Press home button. Oh. Up arrow to get the same command again. Yeah. Home button. Type sudo. So type sudo before chown. Now it will run. Yes. Okay. Can you refresh the page on the browser?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, do one thing because I do not want to waste your time troubleshooting. First
Yeah.
of all, just see this up and running, then maybe we can go into the details of troubleshooting. So do one thing, use the same documentation because I prepared it for you only so that you can go through and install it quickly. So go through the
Okay.
documentation and install your Tomcat. It will definitely be up and running. And then you can, first of all, you can complete your Jenkins pipeline. You'll save some time there,
Hmm. Okay.
right? Okay.
Okay.
Any other question?
That'll be.
Okay. So now coming back to anyone else have any question?
Yes, I do.
Great.
Chinmay here. I just
Yeah.
wanted to ask that how to run that one on my slave machine. You did that one on masters. It was running, and
No, now it's running on your slave only.
no, I think you restricted that one.
Yeah, I restricted that one, but now I'm okay. So can you remove that restrict and then again can you try to run it?
Yes, I tried, but it failed. It ran on masters.
It run on master only. Okay. So can you go? Let me share the access with you. So can you go there? Can you start sharing the screen? Yeah. Go to the nodes. Go to the nodes. Jenkins, manage Jenkins nodes. Manage nodes. No, manage Jenkins. On the right side, go down. Manage nodes. Yeah. So click on Jenkins slave 01 and configure. Configure. Click on configure and use this node as much as possible, and then launch agent via SSH. So it's all the same thing. Keep this agent online as much as possible. Can you click on the in the availability? Can you click on the drop down in the available,
Yes.
yeah, here? Okay, no, this is good. First option is good. And go a bit up. Yeah, launch agent via SSH. Use this more much as possible. So it's all good here. So it should take it automatically. So it, because this is automatic, it will take automatically whatever the slave is configured here. So save it from here. Yeah, save it from here and go to the nodes again. Click on nodes. It's all good here also. Okay. Can you try to run it now? I mean, let us try to run it now. I mean, remove it from the restrict. Remove that one.
Yes, I- Yeah, some master.
It is still building on master. That is strange. Because this is the automatic process, will take automatically. Can you try it for one more machine, like can you configure it one more, or you can do one more thing. We have had some problems with this slave, so just remove this slave machine, right, and again add it to the pool or swarm.
Okay.
Yeah, try that way. Yeah, delete agent, yes. Now, yeah, new node, permanent agent. Yeah, give any name like slave 01. You can give slave 01. Permanent agent. Yeah, remote root directory slash. Yeah, use this node as much as possible. It's good. Host, give the host IP. Yeah, give the IP. Yeah, click on, yeah, click here. Yeah, easy to use it. Yes. Click on this one, also known host file. Click on here. Manually trusted. Yeah. Keep this agent as on. Yeah, this is correct option. Save. Yeah, save it. Yes. Click here. Click here. Click on slave 01. Yes. So it is good now. Yeah. Can you again go to the nodes? Nodes. Yeah. These are up and online. Okay. Right. So now what you can do is, can you try to build it again? Oh, again it is building on master. Don't know why it is doing this way. Uh, Earlier, what name you have given to it? Jenkins Slave 01, right?
Yes.
Okay, can we do one more thing? Can we add the second slave also? I think it's up and running. Yeah. Let us try to add this one. Yeah. Go to the nodes, manage nodes. Yeah. Give here Jenkins. No, this time give Jenkins Slave 02. Permanent agent. So, okay. Here it's the same thing. Remember, we need to create the Jenkins folder there, otherwise it will fail. So do not save it for now. Give the usage and then launch method is the same. Give here the IP and yeah, select easy to user. Yes. And yeah, manually trusted key. Yeah. Don't save it for now. Go to this agent once. Yeah, log into this agent.
Yeah, it's broken.
Yes. Sudo hyphen I. CD or lib. Yes. Enter. Yeah. mkdir Jenkins. chon. chon space ec2 hyphen user ec2 hyphen user Jenkins. ec2 hyphen user colon ec2 hyphen user space Jenkins. Tab, use tab. Okay. And enter. Exit. Come back to the Jenkins. Yeah, come back to the Jenkins. Yeah, this page. Yes, save. Can you refresh it? Can you click on Jenkins Live 02 launch agent? Oh, Git is not there. Sorry. No, no, no. Wait. What is that?
Java. I, I think
Oh,
Java
Java
is
is also there.
yes.
Java needs to be there. It's sudo yum install that same Java package. I think they have copied somewhere. Yum install same Java pack. No, not like this. N. Click on N. Java JDK DEVL. I think you have you must have had that. Have you?
I'm always doing this one and it is giving me the same one.
Okay. You can do it. No problem. Do it. Why? Do Java space hyphen version after this.
Yes. It is giving me the same one as yours.
1.8.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Java space hyphen version.
Mm.
Okay. Now launch the agent again. Click on Jenkins. Yeah. Nodes. Go to nodes. Click on Jenkins Live 02. Launch agent. Come down. Yeah. Now it is good. Go to your job now. This is good now. Go to the job. No. Wait. Okay, you already built it.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Let's see where it is building.
Must.
Still on master. Oh my God. I need to check this one, Chinmay, because this is first time I'm seeing it here. Because
Okay.
once we add it to the pool, it will take it automatically, and that's the purpose of it. So it then once we have the slave machines which are up and running, then it will never run on the master because this is the purpose of the slave machine. They will take up the load.
Yes.
So I will look into this one. I'll let you know.
Okay, no problem.
Sure. So guys, any other question? Okay. So, well, let us quickly take a break of just 5 minutes, not more than that, and I will start with the AWS. So we'll start today itself, and we'll cover few things on it, and then I'll try to show you how the few concepts of the load balancer, because we already covered the Apache. You know how to run the Apache, and now I'm going to show you the load balancer concept on the AWS. We'll start with it. So let's take a quick break of 5 minutes. It's very interesting and all practical, guys. So uh, we'll meet again in just 5 minutes. Okay, so guys, back again. I was getting problem in I muted from here. I was not able to unmute myself. Okay, so now I'm going to start with the AWS, and the good thing is we already started working on it. We know about the EC2 instances, we know about the security group, not in very detail, but we know that we need to open the ports in order to get the traffic on it, so that we can be able to see our application up and running, maybe on the 8080 port or 8443, whatever the ports my application would be running on. So it's all good till now. So I'm going to show you today. So guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
we can.
Okay. Because if you can see my screen, this is again the same mic is going round and round and round. Okay. So I started sharing my screen, and let me log on to the console. Let us quickly do one practical. So what I'm going to show you is that there is a we have created the Tomcat, where we can be able to see our game of life application up and running. Now what I'm going to do is, give me a moment. So now what I'm going to do is, what happens in the cases of the application, like we have Amazon, we have Flipkart. So what happened in those application, in those cases, it's not like the request is coming directly to your application server. So it will be the request will come to the load balancers first, and based on the some of the algorithms, the request will go to the different application boxes where your application is hosted. So let's say you for your application, that the traffic will be very high. So initially what we used to do is we used to run our application on multiple application server or web servers. When I say multiple, that means that we have hosted our application on multiple boxes, and then all of those boxes would be connected to the load balancer. So whenever the request will come, it will come to the load balancer, and then load balancer will send the traffic to one of those boxes, one of those application server boxes where your application is up and running. So it would be like, the first request, it will go to the box one. Second it will go to the box 02, third it will go to the box 03, 04. So this way, when the traffic would be sent accordingly, I mean, proportionately to the servers. So there is no case or no chance of crashing of the one machine, because now we have different machines to take up the load. So traffic would be coming from the from the load balancers, and it would be sending the traffic to the application boxes, from where the request will be served back. So I'm going to show you one thing here. Let us go to the running instances here. So on the left side, so let us do one thing quickly. Let us just start. So now from after today's session, I'm going to destroy all these machines because I do not require them, and maybe I will not destroy Tomcat because I require it now, and I will destroy the Jenkins live in this one, and because now we will be moving forward to the other topics. So I'm going to start this machine first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have two Tomcat machine having the same application up and running, and then I would be I will create one load balancer, and then from that load balancer traffic would come to the Tomcat. So the first traffic will it would be like, I will on the URL I will access the load balancer, and whenever I will access the load balancer, the request will go to the Tomcat. So this is what I'm going to show you now. Start. In the meantime it will start. I will launch one more launch instance, so you can see here how you can install Tomcat on the machine. And one more thing, guys, I really wanted to show you the concept of Sonar Cube also, because it is very much required in every organization, because we do not have much alternative from the code coverage side. So Sonar Cube is holding a good percentage of the market. So everyone is currently using Sonar Cube only for their code coverage and static analysis, and it's again very important part of the for building your code. So I will show you sometime. We'll spin up a Sonar Cube instance, and then I can show you up and running, the instance up and running, and then we will build our again Jenkins uh, game of life, and I'll do the integration for the Sonar Cube, and then I can show you there. It's up and running. So it will upload all the metrics on the Sonar Cube, and then on the Sonar Cube dashboard you can be able to see the code coverage along with all the other metrics for the game of life. Well, I will go ahead now here, add storage. This is good. Next, add tags. Oh, security group, I will take the existing one, fame. Okay, so one Tomcat is already ready. Second Tomcat we will prepare. Let us wait for it to show 2 by 2 checks passed. So it's 2 by 2 check for Tomcat 01. Let's wait for this one also. SSH hyphen I. It is taking a lot of time. Oh, sorry, I need to copy this one, 159. Yeah, so now I'll log in here. Yes, and I'll do the, run all the same commands. So you can see it here, I'm not getting any error for Tomcat installation. You can do the same thing because I tested. That's how I prepared it. Okay, now these are the Java options we
Did you
need to
share
set
this
up.
file with us? Because I didn't receive this
Uh, I shared it with everyone, so I can share it again also, no problem. I'll share it again. So we would be having Java options. Yeah. So here we have the Java options. You can pass some parameter. Insert mode here. That's all good. So we share tomcat conf. Here we need to create the. So what you can do is, so we here tomcat user starts and here tomcat users ends. So you have to insert it somewhere between this. Okay, so I'll do it. And insert mode, enter. Tomcat users is already there. I just need to add this line. Username admin. Okay, so this is good. Now start the service. It started. You can see the status. It's all up and running. Awesome. So now I can go to this machine this machine to see this Tomcat up and running. Here I can go colon 8080. Awesome. So Apache is up and running here. Now what I'm going to do is let me make some changes, make some difference in Tomcat, the page that is up and running from Tomcat 01 and the page that is up and running from Tomcat 02. For that one, let me make some changes in both, maybe somewhere. Okay, so let us go to the here, let us go to this page first. So it would be vim var dub or okay, user share Tomcat web apps. So we have uh, okay, sample cd2 sample index.html. So I'll go inside. So you can see this page, sample hello world application. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to insert some here index.html hello world application application. Oh, sorry, insert mode. Oh, insert mode sample hello world application. I need to come here. Let me give here application server Tomcat 02. So this is application server Tomcat 02. It would be fine. Sorry, read only. Oh, okay. This is Tomcat. So what I have to do is Control C. So switch user to Tomcat. Control C. Sudo Tomcat. Okay, so no problem. Sudo vim index.html. Insert and application server 02. Saved it and yeah, so I have saved it. So if I refresh it now, it will show me application server 02. Now at the same time, if I open this Tomcat 01 and if I go here colon 8080 sample, well, this is not running. Tomcat 01. Let me go to this one also. Okay, so sudo systemctl stop tomcat. Okay, so you can see it here up and running. Hello world application. So this is 01. I'm going to do the same thing here also. So now I can do it from sudo vim user share tomcat web app sample index.html. Awesome. Insert. I will come here. Hello world application server tomcat 01. Now see here guys, so if I refresh it, it will show me tomcat server 01. If I come here, it will show me tomcat server 02. Okay, uh, one more thing I have to do is, okay, user share tomcat web apps. Here we have the game of life dot war also. Okay, that will be good also. So okay, good. So now I'm going to create the load balancer here. See guys, it's a load. Click on load balancers. On the left side, you will see in the EC2 dashboard on the left side, you will see load balancers and create load balancer. So I'm going to create the application load balancer. This is a traditional one. Well, sorry, I'm going to create the classic load balancer. This is the traditional one. We will going to cover the application load balancer also later on. For now, I'm going to create this classic load balancer. So load balancer name you can give any. Uh, Tomcat LB. I would say Tomcat LB. Create load balancer inside the same default VPC. Uh, so it's all done. Enabled advanced VPC configuration. I would not do anything here. Load balancer port is 80. Instance port is 8080. Protocol is same. And then next. And select the existing security group. This one is same. Good. Improve your load balancer security. I know this, no problem. So ping path is /8080. I'm saying on the ping port 8080, and then it should be sample index.html. Okay, on the ping port 8080, we have these machines. I want to add it to my load balancer. I will select these one. So it is saying the table below list all your running EC2 instances. Check the boxes in the select column. Select column to add those instances to this load balancer. So I'm going to select these one, and then next add tags, name, classic LB, review and create. Yes, this is all good. Successfully created load balancer. Now I can go here, and it's very simple. Like, you can go to the listeners, sorry, instances, and you can see here currently it is out of service. In some time you will see in service. So we need to wait for these to be in service. So you can see now in service here. So this is in service. That means now I can go to my this one load balancer, and load balancer give us this DNS name. This is the a record set entry. I will take this one, go to my browser. Now I can run this one. I can see this up and running. If I gave here sample, uh, sample and then index.html, you can see for the first time it is showing me tomcat01. I have a refresh. It is showing me Tomcat application server 02, and after some retries it is showing me Tomcat 01, again 02, application server 02. And so I just wanted to show you, like, this is the purpose of load balancer, which will according, because you have configured multiple machine in the load balancer, so the load would now be proportionately divided on for the instances, for the machines where your application is running. So first request will go to the first machine, second will do the second machine, third will do the third machine. Same thing I showed you here also. So if you refresh it, now the request will go to the first machine. Then again, after some time, if you refresh it, your request will go to the second machine. After some time, when you again refresh it, request will go to the first machine. So this is how this load balancer is running, and you can also build the same load balancer thing for you. And yeah, so this is a simple thing I wanted to show you, and just try it on your side. And this is the benefit of creating the classical load balancer. You can configure multiple machine behind it, and load will be, the traffic would be coming on load balancer. This one, this is the DNS name of it, and then the traffic will go to the instances accordingly. So guys, I think it's all for today. This is the starting of the AWS. We'll cover a few more things on AWS before going to the Ansible. So just practice. So the important thing here is to practice. So guys, practice again. I mean, complete all your practicals and then come up with the questions. So before I log it for today, log off for today, any questions, guys?
No.
Okay, so that is great. Uh, I hope you will complete all your pending thing today, and please share it with me. I will go through all your the GitHub assignments. I will share my feedback. And goodbye for today, guys. So see you again tomorrow at the same time on same link. And till then, thank you so much for joining today. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.